Hi everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're like me and tend to lose your cup at gatherings, this is a must-have for you. This Acacia wood cup holder with a marker slot by Cattery is a game changer. I absolutely love the Acacia wood material and how it can accommodate various cup sizes as you can see. Not only is it stylish, but it's also super functional. I use it when having friends over, and it's great for avoiding confusion when everyone has their own cup. It's also perfect for big gatherings, small parties, or even the office. Plus, it will help you reduce the number of glasses that end up scattered everywhere. So, if you're looking for a cup holder that's both aesthetically pleasing and practical, give this one a try by Cattery. I highly recommend it. You'll save cups, avoid confusion, and have a smooth drinking experience. And that's my point of view.